Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Welcome to homemade cooking underscore shady. Yes, please welcome to my kitchen. Today I am excited to share this amazing homemade dish. Yes, fried potato and fried plantain porridge. Just once you are in the kitchen, you can just do 1+1 together to make it one. Yes, to make it one. This meal is all about flavor and comfort. Yes, the potato and the plantain, they are fried until they are perfectly crispy. Yes, as you can see, when the right plantain and the potato match together, the taste is on another level. Yes, it's on another level. It's made with simple ingredients, and we are preparing the sauce. The sauce. Yes, the ingredients are easy to capture. They are easy to put together, and the result is absolutely wow, delicious. Yes, and this is one of the meal you can enjoy for breakfast, lunch, or dinner because it is very easy to prepare. It is quick and very filling. Yes, I added sardine as well. If you love easy homemade cooking, please, or if you love easy homemade food that tastes great and feel like home, this one is for you. Yes, it is for you. I won't lie to you. Please don't forget to like my video, share with your friends and family, subscribe for more tasty homemade cooking. Yes, what fried potato and fried plantain for